After obtaining indefinite leave to remain (ILR) in the UK, you can apply for British naturalization to become a UK citizen. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get UK naturalization after ILR. This video is generic guide to get overview of how to apply for naturalization. Please follow formal documents to avoid any updates. Also, if you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to help making me more such video. Thanks. Let's jump to the knowledge part of this video. Watch this video on 1.5x speed if you feel speed is slow. 1. Eligibility requirements. Before applying for naturalization, make sure you meet the following key requirements. Residency. You must have held ILR for at least 12 months, unless you are married to a British citizen, in which case you can apply as soon as you get ILR. You must have lived in the UK for at least 5 years before the date of your application. If you're married to a British citizen, the residency requirement is 3 years. B. Absences from the UK. You must not have spent more than 450 days outside the UK in the 5 years before your application, or 270 days if married to a British citizen. You must not have been absent from the UK for more than 90 days in the last 12 months. C. Good character. You should not have any serious criminal convictions, involvement in fraud, or breaches of immigration laws. D. English language requirement. You need to prove your knowledge of the English language. This can be done by passing an approved English language test, like IELTS, or holding a degree taught in English. Citizens of majority English-speaking countries, like the USA, Canada, or Australia, are exempt. A. Life in the UK test. You must pass the Life in the UK test, which assesses your knowledge of British culture, history, and laws. F. Physical presence in the UK. You must have been physically present in the UK exactly 5 years before the date of your application, or 3 years if married to a British citizen. 2. Prepare the application. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can start preparing your naturalization application. Gather documents. You'll need the following documents: proof of ILR, a copy of your biometric residence permit, BRP, showing your ILR status. Passports, your current and previous passports, covering the residency period. Life in the UK test pass certificate. English language proficiency certificate. Proof of address, e.g., utility bills, bank statements. Employment or financial documents, such as payslips or tax returns, to prove you're self-sufficient. B. Complete Form N. You can complete your application Form N, online on the UK government's website or by post. The online process is faster and more commonly used. Answer all questions truthfully and provide the necessary details of your immigration history, employment, and residential addresses. 3. Submit the application and pay the fee. As of 2024, the application fee for naturalization is £1,330, and this includes the citizenship ceremony fee. Submit the application and all required documents through the online portal or by post. You'll also pay the fee during this step. 4. Biometric appointment. After submitting your application, you will be asked to attend a biometric appointment at a UK Visa and Citizenship Application Services (UKVCAS) center. You will need to provide your fingerprints and photograph biometric data. There is a small additional fee for this appointment. 5. Wait for a decision. Processing time is usually 3 to 6 months but may vary depending on the complexity of your case. If your application is successful, you will receive an invitation to attend a citizenship ceremony. 6. Attend a citizenship ceremony. You must attend a citizenship ceremony within 3 months of receiving your invitation. During the ceremony, you'll take an oath of allegiance to the UK and receive your naturalization certificate, officially becoming a British citizen. 7. Apply for a British passport. Once you've received your naturalization certificate, you can apply for a British passport, which confirms your status as a UK citizen and allows you to travel freely as a British national. Summary of steps: ensure eligibility, meet residency, language, and good character requirements. Gather necessary documents, including ILR proof, English language certificate, Life in the UK test pass. Submit Form N, complete the application form online and pay the fee. Attend biometric appointment, provide fingerprints and photograph. Wait for decision. Processing can take 3 to 6 months. Attend a citizenship ceremony, take the oath of allegiance. Apply for a British passport, finalize your journey to becoming a UK citizen. Additional tips: double check your documents and application form to avoid delays. Keep copies of all documents for your records. Follow the guidelines on absences from the UK to ensure compliance. If you need professional advice, consulting an immigration lawyer can also help with the process. Thanks for watching this. Hope this video helps you to get basic idea of process. Please hit like and subscribe and help me to keep doing this. Best wishes.